What's good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. Hi, you. What's goody? What's good? Hey, guys, I wanted to take some time out to shoot a video about the conversion pros. Hope you guys also had a Merry Christmas and a good, blessed day with your family. But now it's really time to get back to business, guys. It's time to really lock in. It's time to really start getting focused, so that way we can really get you in that passive income mode, okay? But one of the programs that I wanted to share with you today on a couple videos I'm gonna be shooting today, but this was the first video, and I wanted to share this with you guys about how I've been able to earn a passive income, a residual income, with this program here that you might see. It's called the Conversion Pros. As you can see right here, and forgive me guys if I have to pause this video a couple times here. I got the kids home right now. So I'm still going to try to work through this, but we're going to get it, okay? Alright, now if you see right here, it kind of gives you a monthly income potential here with the business itself. So, you know, a lot of people like to see the money, so I'm going to show you the money up front, alright? So if you bring in 5 people, you have an opportunity to earn $125 per month with this program, okay? They also give you an option to test drive it completely free for 7 days. So that way no credit card is required, so you can see exactly what it is that we're using and how this can benefit your business in the long run, okay? So if you have over 10 people, you have over 20 people, it just breaks the numbers down. 50 people, this is residual income per month. You know, some people may have incomes with their employers. So when you're looking at the employment income per month, you want to look at these here: $75, $100, $150, $200. These are the incomes as far as what people are earning, that people have on their 9 to 5. So if you're looking to replace your 9 to 5, these are the type of members that you want to look into. These are the type of, you know, you want to get these numbers in. You want to get those type of numbers, guys. Now, when you're looking into the network marketing industry, the direct sales and make money from home industry, that's $1 billion industry, guys. Everyone needs some type of marketing system. Everyone needs tools. Let me go ahead and get off subject for a little bit, okay? For you guys that remember here, back in the day, there was the way that people were trying to get rich was through the gold rush, right? And with the gold rush, everyone was digging for gold. But then there was your set of people that were selling a lot of those tools, shovels, you know, a lot of the equipment for those gold diggers to go and get their way. And that's why I decided to get with a lot to plan my 2019 out to have educational platforms, things where people are gonna actually learn how to take these methods and generate to put their business out there to generate an additional income. So if you can see over here, guys, a lot of these things over here on the side here that you may see where you're seeing a system's freezing up here, where you see a webinar builder and a landing page builder. Okay, if you guys have been familiar online, you can look these things up. There are some programs out there like ClickFunnels, Lead Pages. These are some programs as well that you can definitely use. But one thing you got to understand is that those programs usually only offer one product out of those. Like, they may have some, but you know, where can you get a program and a system with every tool you can almost imagine? And that's why I have these type of programs. So outside of this, there's another marketing program that I do use, and we're going to talk about that one right after this video. So like I said, guys, we got a gang of videos we're shooting today. We're going to start off 2019. We're going in with a bang. All right, so I'm giving you guys a lot of things that you can use for your business, to grow your business, to duplicate your business, for your team to follow. So I just hope and pray that you guys are really locking in, man, because this stuff really helps you, okay? So like autoresponders, your SMS tool broadcast. So these are people that have opted into your system. You guys may have seen me talk about another business where they provide you with the leads each day. These are leads that are people who are already warmed up to you. They kind of have checked out the information. So you can just send out broadcast messages to your leads, okay? We have a blogging platform, a link rotator. You have and for you guys don't know what a link rotator is, so let's just say if you buy traffic, you know, you buy leads or anything, you can have a link rotator. So if you have 10 people on your link rotator, you're buying traffic, or if everyone's promoting that link, everyone's going to get some business into their business, okay? So it's kind of like a team effort when you have a link rotator, okay? The tiny URL is so you don't have a long, drawn-out link like that, and it makes it a short link to where it's about... Oh, my system's just acting so crazy today. Now everything want to mess up. But A URL is a shorter link, okay? So for you guys that don't have a .com, a domain name or anything like that, this is pretty much what you can utilize as far as a tiny URL goes, okay? So with that being said as well, there's training that we do offer. So there's no point in ever joining a business or anything like that. You know, there's a lot of niche-based businesses that you can join, from weight loss to credit repair to roadside assistance to women's products to solar, medical marijuana. There are so many businesses and programs that are out there that you can use. We literally have a lot of training and pages pre-done. So I'm going to show the pages to you right when we're done here, just to kind of, so for people that are not familiar with building capture pages or might need a little help, we already have some done for you pages that you can use and just kind of make your own. Okay, so down here is our training. So we have Facebook marketing. We also have Twitter marketing, YouTube training, Craigslist training, building funnels, branding yourself, local businesses, car programs. We have just regular MLM training that we do have. We have boot camps, company funnels, pretty much company-based training. So, you know, if you're in particular programs, we do have those trainings as well. We also have a full system training that shows you how to pretty much just use the whole system. Guys, a lot of people join business and refuse to just look in their back office, okay? So this is why I shoot these type of videos, so you can see what is going on, all right? We'll allow you to edit your pages, guys. You can pretty much edit from, you can bring in pictures, you know, from Google. You know, if you're on Facebook, you have a picture you want to use as a background. You know, we help you set up your capture pages. So we have literally everything that you need when you're joining this business. Okay, you can also purchase leads from the back office. See, if you have more money than time, this is what people do. They'll go actually buy leads, and then they can just take time out to reach out to these leads and call them and say, hey, you know, I received your information regarding making money online. Were you still interested, or were you just kind of kicking around the idea? You know, that way they can say, hey, man, you know, what do you got? Send me the information back again. Or I was just kind of checking it out. I'm really not interested in anything like that. Okay, that's cool. So we have leads that you can purchase as well, guys. And again, I say forgive me, man. My system's just been freezing up and acting so funny with me here. The next stop is new computer. I'm going to have my Mac for a couple years now, so it's time for a new one. All right, so we'll go over here, right? So say you want to buy some leads. So we're going to go here. And this if you only want to put your leads in TCP. TCP follows up. They'll kind of build that relationship and close them for you. So let's just say you have a personal campaign, right? We want to go male leads. So male and female leads, all right? Right now there's a sale on leads, guys. So as you can see this. 50 leads normally is $44. Right now they're only $39.60. 100 leads are $85, and right now they're only $76. As you can see, guys, this is how it's breaking down. Okay, so the more people you have to talk to, you can give leads away to your people that you bring in and let them get started. Get started. Okay, those are generic biz op leads. Female only leads are a little bit more, $49. And that's the same as the male leads, okay? So female and male leads are a little bit more. Some females don't want to talk to males, so they only want to talk to females. So these are the type of leads to go. Live interview leads, people that have completely said, we're ready to go, we're interested in the business, call me, okay? That's it. Guys, we take care of you, okay? So let me show you over here. This is my email here of how they pay me. We get paid every Friday with the conversion pros. So every Friday, guys, I get a residual income from just people I've brought in. And as you can see here, I have about 85 pages of these. Okay, so this company, do they pay? Yes. Is it a good program to be involved in? Yes. We have a Facebook community. I mean, we literally have everything that you need. I'm all the way back in 2017. Okay, let's go back further. Oh, going back even further. So yes, they do pay. So let's scroll back over. Let's go back over here, man. I just want to kind of show you some other things here, man, because I love this program. As you can see, I've been involved for a long time, so I'm really not going anywhere, guys. I mean, I make pages with this program, so you know, just if for people that have checked it out, I've made pages here. Let's see here. So we kind of tell you about how much you can make, showing you everything on that. So here we go. Let's go over to our pages here, our share codes, because we have pre-done. So the auto message, the auto responders for your message follow-up series, we have those pre-done for you as well. So those are niche-based messages as well. So as far as weight loss, I think we have a lifestyle in there. We have a credit repair. Let's go down. So generic biz, weight loss, travel, conversion pros, and credit repair, because these are some hot niches right there, especially credit repair. So guys, you know, if you don't have message, you know, not good at ad copy, again, we have a training as well for that, but we pretty much have codes that you can copy into your message series, and we have the training showing you how to copy those. And then there's the landing pages. The landing pages or holiday pages, weight loss. So these are different niche businesses that you can choose from for your businesses. I mentioned here, like I said, medical marijuana. They kind of narrowed them down here, got a lot of the other ones out, especially the niche-based programs. Some are not as hot as they used to be, so they just kind of took those away from us. But social networks, so let's just look into this one here for like social networks. And you can change it, guys. You can always add other pictures in. You can add videos. We allow you to do that with the Conversion Pros as well, okay? So this page here, you don't have to actually just take this page. You can actually copy this page where it's going to actually download like this, and you can go in and change out all the words. You can add on to it. Literally make it yours, right? And then you can create your own message. So if you don't know how to go in and make your own messages, then go over here, copy the code for your autoresponder, and go in and put your links in where they have the links where your links should go. And you just put the links in for your particular business. Okay? So for you guys that are looking for a marketing system, the Conversion Pros is a very, very good marketing system. So I want to show you a couple that I've made here with the Conversion Pros. Oh, I'm freezing. But my system's been acting funny today, guys, my computer. But it's a video here, right? That would have been a video. Here's a way to earn. So this is for my econ, right? So this is for a credit repair business, okay? Then we have an actual funnel that I created. This is for the marketing system, a program up front, and then you also have incentives that you can offer people for joining, which you also have an income stream as well. So actually this one has 4 income streams along with your traffic source. So you actually get a piece of the traffic source as well with this particular system. But this is an actual page that I created with the Conversion Pros. So for you guys, you know, that are interested in, you know, making pages like this or having this particular page, you're more than welcome to reach out to me or join this business with me, and I can actually give you the codes for this particular page as well. So you can definitely use this for your system, or get some type of I can't even think of the word of it, but where you can get some type of idea to mimic your own, okay? So guys, you know, if you're interested in making an additional income, you know, you can earn unlimited $25 commissions with this program, and that's residual, okay? So anytime someone decides they want to join, they can either come in at the monthly, they can come in semi-annually, or they can come in annually. Whichever one they come in is, you're going to get $50. I mean, you're going to get half of that. So if they come in the monthly, it's the $25. So it's $50 a month, okay? So you guys go from there. All right? So if there's any questions, reach out to me, guys. I've been in the Conversion Pros for a very long time. We have a very good Facebook community where people are welcoming people literally all the time, guys. So I look forward to hearing from you. I look forward to getting you a part of this business. Check it out for free. This is your boy Jay. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Until the next video, peace.